Smithsonians, welcome back. François here, the founder of the 4S program, and this show is sponsored by the Greater Linden Business Network. It's here in Columbus, Ohio, and you see more about the different presenters that was there that presents at least once a month the Greater Business Network. Please go follow the website and learn more if you live in Linden or also surrounding area, because the personal benefit I receive from paying a small fee once a year, a small fee. There's a year-end gala, and every month there is a workshop to help the entrepreneurs and business owners network and help one another brand each other. So that's what happens when you join the Greater Business Network, GLBN. And this video, this podcast is going to showcase a snippet of the second annual Business Resource Fair. So I hope you enjoy, and personal shout out to Miss Carla for the business referrals, personal referrals. So find the local business network or personal development, anything of that nature, and join. But I definitely recommend the Greater Business Network. So yeah, I pay a small fee and we see so many benefits. All right. So we're at the Ohio History Center, and yeah, hope you enjoy this video, this podcast. All right.
We are in our second annual resource fair under the Greater Linden Business Network. And the resource fair is spawned out of the fact that a lot of our businesses were saying they weren't necessarily familiar with the resources that might be available for small businesses. So then we put together last year a resource fair, and what we've done is we've invited, the city has several resources through their diversity and inclusion department, through their development department, through their small business department. And then we brought in banks. We brought in insurance agencies because small businesses have to have insurances. We brought in legal aids because there are a lot of legal questions. We have ECDI, which is the Economic Community Development Institute, which has a number of programs. Matter of fact, they're housing our small business loan. We now have a small business loan. Greater Linden Business Network has a small business loan. And so we're excited about that. So that's what we're having today, and look like we're getting quite a few people to come in. I'm Sadiqa Thomas White of Sadiqa Associates Consulting Firm, Economic Development Ecosystem Builder, and I work with the Greater Business Linden Network as their onslaught consultant.
This is your treasure hunt game card. Every vendor that you talk to, get a sticker from them, okay? And then turn this back in.
Put it in the basket.
Put it in the basket.
Hey, how you doing today?
Pretty good. And you?
I'm doing.
So what's going on right now? How are you feeling?
Hey, I'm doing pretty good. We're here at the Linden Business Symposium, just here taking in all the energy, representing the Delphi Bank, Ohio's first Black-owned bank in 22 years. We're just here to kind of spread awareness, let people know that what we do here. We're a bank that's going to foster the community. We're going to push individuals to be their best self. And ultimately, we just want to create a space that's unbiased where people can come in whatever financial situation they are in. We specialize right now in small business and lending, but we can do anything on your personal end as well. Most importantly, if you have any specific questions or needs, get with me directly. I would love to answer those questions and have those conversations. But right now, we're just soaking it in. It's a lot of energy right now, and we just here happy to be here.
All right, cool. Where are you located? What's the bank
We're
located?
right here at Long Street, right across the street from Lincoln Theater, right down the street from Waves Bar and Grill. We're right in the middle of some Black-owned businesses, man. It's a happening spot. It's growing, and call it Bronzeville.
Okay.
Downtown Bronzeville, Old East. Yeah, Bronzeville specifically, though.
All right, cool. Great. Thank you.
Absolutely. Thanks for stopping by.
Yes, sir.
Hi, nice to meet
How's it
you.
going?
Yeah. So we're the Office of Small Business under Economic Development for the City of Columbus. We're here to support small businesses through training program and resources that can really help them get from that 1 to 3 year stage of owning and operating a small business into that 10-year stage, expanding and building up their resources so that they can be an independent part of the community and stronger for the Columbus region.
All right, cool. So Department of Development, like what exactly do you guys do? Is it just business, or what other aspects do you guys do?
Yeah, we do pretty much all business related items and sections on land use and commercialization, attracting businesses to the Columbus region, and ensuring that we are doing so in a way that lifts everyone up here.
Exactly do you do for the Department of Development?
Okay. My name is Raven Ho. I'm a business development specialist for the City of Columbus.
Hey, how you doing?
Hi, I am Cassie Ritchie, and I'm with the City of Columbus Economic Development Small Businesses.
and I'm a program manager, and I actually work with the small businesses trying to help them thrive and grow. So we have resources and training for them. So look us up on Facebook, Instagram. We're on there. Thank you.
So, hey, how you doing? My name is François, the founder of Forest Program. I have fresh entrepreneurs with video content, start, shoot, systemize, and scale. And we're here at...
My name is Celeste Allen, and I am with the Sylvia A. Garrett and Associates Agency. I am the executive administrator for the agency. And this is...
Hi, my name's Stephanie Hall, and I'm also with the Sylvia A. Garrett and Associates Agency. And I'm a senior sales professional specializing in personal and commercial insurance.
Okay, all right, sales. So what's the most often asked question about your company?
What do we do?
Yes, okay.
That's the question people often ask. What do we do? And we tell them we do insurance of all kinds.
Okay, so where are you located?
We are actually remote, but we do have an office in the Easton area at 4449 Easton Way on the second floor.
Okay.
But the majority of the time we are remote. We meet once a week by Zoom, and then we come together in person once a month. And we use that office to meet customers who might want an in-face meeting.
All right. So what's the best-selling package? Like short-term life insurance, long-term disability, like what?
Life insurance?
Yes. Car insurance, like what's the best selling?
Usually, the best package is a customer that'd like to do either home or renters and auto, and then get a life policy as well. Then they get the multi-policy discount, as well as protecting their whole family and all their assets.
So it also depends on what's needed, what a client might need.
Okay. I give you credit for the package. Like you went straight to like the bulk, just buy the whole thing. So I love it.
Oh, it's about protecting everything.
Okay.
Like not just like their car that's like mandatory, but protecting their family if something was to happen to someone.
All right, so this is
Most
what you
people,
teach.
they have home and auto, but they don't think about life. And so that's why, Stephanie is saying, you got to take care of your family.
You have two special guests. What's their name?
I'm Paul Bryson.
All right. And I have...
Michael Everett.
All right. What brings you here? Like, what's going on?
Well, we're here at the Resource Fair to represent Glasgow, our Community Economic Development team.
And so everybody knows to call legal aid if you're getting evicted, right? But for small business legal problems and nonprofit legal problems, we can help with those too. So give us a call. That's what we're really promoting tonight. We're talking about the things we do, people don't know we do.
All right. Lawyer talk. I love that. All right, cool. How do people reach out to you? Like,
So I tell people to go to our website because I don't like waiting on the phone on hold. You can click the Get Help button and do an online intake. It'll be smooth as butter. You fill out your information and we get back to you, and then you don't have to wait on hold. It's great.
all right, cool. Give us a legal term that should walk all the way out with.
Legal terms?
Yeah.
Successor. I know I'm with your workshop. The successor. I have.
Well, my favorite legal term is res ipsa loquitur. That's my favorite term.
That's a good one.
All right. What does that mean?
Res ipsa loquitur, what does that mean?
So it's Latin. We love Latin in the law. It's the thing speaks for itself.
Right.
So it is a situation that even lawyers know is obvious, and we can argue about anything.
Cool. Appreciate it. Thank you. All right. Hey, how you doing?
Hi,
What are you doing here? What's going on right now?
I'm checking out the business network that they're doing, banks, and to see what I can do, if anything that can help me with.
All right, cool. What's your name? What do you do for the community?
I'm at North Center Commission, and I go around and help people that I can.
Hilton,
All right. And what are we doing here?
I deal with life insurance solutions, retirement planning for business owners, business succession planning, community empowerment through financial services.
All right. How long have you been in this business?
This is my 40th year.
All right. Awesome. How do people get in contact with you?
Yes, I have a book entitled Get Free for Free,
All right.
and it deals with non-economic solutions and financial strategies for resilience. So how to use our economics and how to thrive in tight times.
Awesome.
Okay.
All right. How you doing?
Hey, I'm good. How are you?
All right. Cool. So what brings you out here to the Ohio History Center?
Oh, man. So, my name's John Banks. I'm the Community Development Officer with PNC Bank. We're out here today just because, in a very fundamental way, man, PNC believes in the community, believes in providing financial health and wellness and partnership in communities to help strengthen and enrich the communities that we serve. You hear our monikers kind of #brilliantly boring. We love being reliable, dependable, and just being the go-to for the people in our community. And it's what we kind of hang our hat on. And it's a place where we really thrive. So we're excited to be here, truly honored that the Greater Linden Business Network would invite us. We're glad to be a part, and we look forward to seeing what the partnership and what the organization does moving forward.
Right. So the thing I recognize about this bank is you guys are only bank that prints out your card right there on the spot. So I was like, I opened a business account and you guys gave me a credit card right there and there. I'm like, oh, debit card. I'm like, wow, that's impressive.
Right.
First bank that ever did that. I'm like, oh, okay.
Yeah, man, we try to pride ourselves on meeting the needs of our customers, our clients, our community partners where they are. But I'll be perfectly honest with you, man, that is a place where you would probably be better served talking to one of my amazing branch partners at our Linden branch. I can pull one of them over if you have a second. All right.
Let's do it.
Hey, come into the branch. We can print your cards for you, get you free student account, business account, consumer accounts. Talk to us about what you need, and we got you.
All right, where are you located?
Linden on 2700 Cleveland Avenue. Come and see us.
All right, cool. Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
Why PNC?
Why not?
What's your slogan? Why PNC?
Brilliantly boring. We keep your banking boring. No surprises.
All right, awesome. Thank you. How's it going?
Hey, how you doing, man?
Good, good.
Everything been good today?
Yes, sir.
Good. Hey, I'm Ken Johnson with ECDI, Senior Relationship Manager here. We do a lot of small business lending in the state of Ohio. ECDI is the #1 micro lender in the nation. We only service the state of Ohio. If you need anything or you're looking for small business lending for your startup or established business, please come see us. Enjoy the rest of your evening.
Hi, how are you?
Good to you, Smith François. How you doing?
Hi, good. How are you?
All right, nice meeting you. So, Ohio, people want to know about Columbus, Ohio, like, but this is diversity. Like, what are you doing here? Like, what's your mission?
So with the City of Columbus Office of Diversity and Inclusion, we work with our businesses and our community to hopefully have access to economic opportunities to do business with the City of Columbus. Our office certifies you if you would like to become certified as a minority woman or veteran-owned business. And it is our mission to work with the City of Columbus departments to have access and opportunity to our diverse business populations.
Are you sure we're talking about Ohio? Like, this City of Columbus, like, a lot of people, it's a red state, so like, but blue city, like, explain that, like, how are you helping? What does certification do?
Well, with your certification, I'll allow Taylor to give you.
Certification allows a lot of different opportunities. So working within the City of Columbus, bettering your business, making more connections, networking with other organizations, building up the back of your business, and creating a lot of different opportunities for you as a business owner, small business opportunities as well.
Oh, awesome. What do you have? We got so,
a testimony for joining our City of Columbus MBE WBE program is expanding also to a small business. So small, local, minority, women, veteran-owned businesses. They've had access to opportunities, resources, networking, building capacity, and just to be able to have that relationship, making the relationship stick and make formidable, obviously, connections that will make everyone prosper. Again, it's an equal opportunity city, so the City of Columbus tries its best to be as inclusive as possible, and we are very intentional about our inclusivity.
All right, cool. If you don't mind talking about the contracting, like, you could be a sub to contract prime.
Yes, you can be a prime or a sub. So there are prime and subcontractor opportunities, not only in construction, but professional services. We have consultants, event planners and coordinators. There's just a lot of opportunities. We have approximately 14 City of Columbus departments. So there are plenty of opportunities with contracts, not just in construction and related fields.
All right. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
Quack.
Hello.
Hey, how's it going?
Doing good. Yes. We are excited to be here. My name is Sean Moore. This is Shannon Moore. We are the AFLAC team for Columbus, Ohio. We have our own insurance agency called Moore Independent Services. The biggest thing that we do for the community and also for businesses, small and large, we offer services that if anyone gets sick, injured, hurt, whether it's on the job or at home, relaxing, Our services pay you directly. And they asked me, like, what you mean by that, Sean? What you mean by AFLAC? AFLAC is a supplemental benefit that work hand in hand in helping close that gap that your major medical may not cover. Let's have a conversation. You can reach me at Sean Moore. I'm on social media, on Facebook and LinkedIn as well. If you guys have any questions,
Swag. Come on, talk about the. You gotta talk about the duck. You can't leave duck out. All right, what's it saying?
So let me tell you a little story about this duck. Got involved. It was just a marketing risk that AFLAC took a risk of having a duck in the commercial, and they didn't realize how much of an impact that everybody remember that AFLAC. Then from there, it just took off. So I believe it started back in 2000 when they had a first initial commercial about AFLAC. But it ended up growing, and now AFLAC is one of the largest branded companies in the United States and the world. Yeah.
All right, so can a duck get insured? You say so just by sitting at home relaxing and get injured, like repeat that again, like
yes. So when I know you guys seen those commercials with Deion Sanders and Nick Saban, and they walking in and you see one person on the ladder and fell off the ladder. First thing that you hear is AFLAC. All right, that's when we kick in the time of need. We there for if you have to go to the doctor, you have to go to your emergency room, you have to go to the urgent care. After you get done with that visit, call us. AFLAC can help you out. We pay for benefits directly to you, cash benefits, if you get sick or injured.
So, is it only personal? Do you do like home warranty or just personal care?
These benefits is health benefits. So it's more direct benefits to you. You have your major medical that pays the hospital and the doctor. Our services pay you directly. That's what AFLAC come in handy.
All right, quack. All right, cool. Appreciate your time, man.
Yes, sir. Thank